enter shape 7 like this. When you're entering, after doing, when now entering this shape, I want you to enter from string 1, B note, G note, D note, B note, and G note. So and then I want you to hit G, hit B, hit D. You've seen. Then again, come to shape 7, shape 5, here, fret number 10, 11, 12, key of D. Repeat the same thing as you did here. Then on finish by 10th fret, D note. Alright guys, so that is how you play Todii Solo by Mtukudzi. Okay, now there is one thing left. It's a technique. It's a technique. This is what you do. It's a technique. This is what you do very quick. To be a good lead guitarist, you must know how to use the palm muting technique. You just play a note, place your hand here, place your hand here, just near the notes. You see, just near the notes like that, near the notes like that. Okay, then when you're playing a note, just move your hand a bit closer to the string that you're muting its note. Okay, and then it sounds like I'm muting string number 2, string number 3. But with the time you will know it. Just do a lot of practice, you will know it. Okay, so the note that you play is the note that you mute. Okay, okay. So guys, let me teach you how to play Todii chords.